don't know what that means, but he died. Ray died. Okay. Oh, I need to get it. I really need to get it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Too late. Okay, survived. I got nothing. Nothing. I know I got nothing. Bro, how is that even gonna be sold? Okay. Listen, yes, I'm dying. No. I died. No. Died. Okay, what are we gonna next? Okay, we're gonna do this again. Okay. Well. Okay. Go. Yes. Okay, let's go. Why is this so laggy? Oh, I can't move. This is so laggy. Save his life, oh, I don't know where he is. I'm not going down there. Okay, Okay, is anyone gonna save me, or am I just gonna get it out? Or kill? Why did he kill? Fantastic. Okay, he's here. Then oh, let me save his bang on. Let me see. Why is he slipping back? Okay. Back for Let me guess he's gonna come here. I don't care if he comes here, I did not expect that. Well, I'll leave it. Okay.
Have you ever tried a disguise?
Why is this server so laggy? Good. die. Okay, I'm definitely gonna die. Definitely gonna die. Okay. It's so laggy. I'm just gonna dance here. No, I'm just gonna dance. My bestie, she's doing the same thing. Let me do this. Okay. Let's see what my bestie's doing. So cute. Can't deny because he's so cute. Okay, my kitty is so cute. My cat is so cute. I cannot even remember. Wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna go save his damn life. Okay, I'm gonna drop it down. I'm gonna save his damn life first. This is so hard. This is so hard. This is literally not what I expected. Okay, I'm gonna take him. Serve is so laggy. Okay. This is so Serve is so laggy. Okay, I'm gonna save his damn life. Okay, he jumped down, I'm gonna go back. Serve is so laggy. Saved his life. No, we didn't. Hold on. Okay, good thinking. Okay, I got it. I didn't go make it, but I actually made it. Okay, my avatar looks sucks. I hate my avatar, but because it has these chains on it. I didn't pick them. Well, the game picked them. So I'm not the game because I love this game. Okay. Can you like and subscribe if you want me to play a different game more than this? Or play MM2. I did a lot of games in MM2 before, but I don't know if you guys seen, but I play MM2 a lot. Okay, servers not good. Oh, and how did I stop sleeping? I'm asleep. What am I doing wrong? Oh, friends in here, I'm gonna leave soon. Okay. Relaxing. Yeah, kind of relaxing. Kind of relaxing. I was percent. Shoot. There's 2 people. Wait, I'm gonna heal him and save him. Server's so laggy.
Chinese communists.
Oh,
The destruction of any Chinese
I
communists.
didn't expect that. Okay,
Liberty Prime is
what did I
online.
look at my screen? I was seeing it, but I didn't look at it.
Weapons hot. Mission the destruction of
This is
any
so...
all Chinese communists. Liberty Prime is online. All systems nominal. Weapons hot. Mission communist target unlocked.
Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more. Bye.